Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the fan on the PS4 from the motherboard. So basically it's a clip that clips onto the motherboard. But before that we're going to remove this plate for the heatsink. My one is already loosened, but basically this is a step before. So what you have here is the fan connection which goes onto the motherboard. Many guys have many ways of doing it, but I'm going to show you a very simple way of doing it. And all you're going to do is you're going to use a very small flat screwdriver. You're going to go from the bottom of the motherboard and just try and work under this gray housing. You're going to work just under there and lift it up, and there you go. As simple as that. Basically it just pushes down. So if I'm going to reconnect it, all I'm going to do is I'm going to line these pins with those three on the motherboard, on the board, and all you do is you snap it down. Simple as that. So I'll show you again. To remove it, you just work your flat screwdriver underneath the clip and just lift it up. There you go.